Kubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Moment, who is the president of the Nokma Council for the entire Garo Hills. And he shared a lot of stories with me from the time he was a young man, trying to help the people of the Garo Hills organize themselves, especially young people, to be independent, on their protecting their soil and their forests on their land. So with all your experience, what is your message to the young people of our state, in Meghalaya, especially just being the opening session of this first livelihood initiative through agroforestry system? From what you've seen over the last 30 years, from the time you're in service, is there hope for our state? What can we do to save our ecosystem and our forests and our way of life and our agriculture? What is your message?
I think for this thing we have to organize the youth and also bring awareness about the condition of whole state. That it is going to be in some parts of some places will turn into desert.
Yes.
Until then, unless we reorganize and start this forest, and then whatever we do, every program is in the government or by the department, it remains for some years, like what the MRAs or something, so it was there for some years only. Then agriculture department or social department, they do grow some plantations and other things. Forest department, maybe with forest department I have already grown more than 50,000 trees. But no follow-up cases.
Nothing, no follow-up.
Yeah. This is the main thing where we are getting. If we do the follow-up cases nicely, properly, then I am sure 100% that we can make the Meghalaya like before.
Yes. So you mentioned earlier also there's lots of infiltration to the state. It's going to be 50 years that Meghalaya became a hill state. In 2022 we'll celebrate 50 years. But you told me when you were in office, when you were in the police, you were trying to stop infiltration because a lot of people are coming. Our own tribal people are becoming landless. A lot of land grabbing, privatization of land, and lots of corruption. How can we stop that as the young people of today? What do you think we should do step by step to check on our borders, to train the young people, especially, they say 80% of our people are farmers and they are being left for 50 years. What should we do?
For this infiltration what I feel that, as I've already mentioned, especially in governments, in Kashis and this also, that ICPs are there, infiltration checkpost, where for every village, in one village, whether it is Garos, Muslims, Hindus, register is mentioned there, name and everything. If somebody died, keep record. If somebody comes, keep record. Newborn, keep record. And every year they are supposed to do make a new register. But this is not being checked by the infiltration department. And once you are an officer in one place, then you are so lazy, you don't like to go and visit all the 20 villages. You put it down and then you got a new register, just note down from the old register and show it to the officer.
Yes.
This is the thing. Then another thing is that regarding infiltration, it is through Dalu, through Mankachar, by Fulbari. They go to Assam, they go to Delhi.
Is in Garo Hills.
Yes.
Khasi Hills, Janta Hills, all gone. Mining, cutting. Why do you think the Garo people are more concerned about nature and protecting? Even in Tura, it's very green. I'm very impressed. Why?
One thing is right from the beginning, from British time, and the laborers are Garos on the roadside. That Mohora seasonal upstairs is Garo.
Yes.
Most of the Garos, they will not cut the tree on the roadside.
Okay. You don't cut.
No. They will keep them. They will not cut it. There is another thing. Then, also, if it is Salmakara tree area, the harvest will not be good. So, that forest they will never touch.
Okay.
Then, original thing is that if you spit on the stream, you piece, then they will say, Salada, I think that Sushma will give you punishment. Sushma is like Narboni, it's a kind of a god who will give you punishment for spitting on the
For dirtying the stream.
Yeah, for
Or peeing the stream.
yeah. So that is the thing. They know the thing down below some religious will be using that water.
Yes.
So they will also, whatever the source of springs are there, they will never allow them to cut it.
The tree.
Yeah.
So this is my hope coming to Garo Hills. Just seeing, I haven't
Yeah.
even gone to the village yet. That's why I wanted to ask you, because you are the president of the
Yeah.
whole council.
Yeah.
What are you doing to strengthen your Nokmas, your indigenous, caretakers that have been doing this for centuries? What are you trying to do to hold them together in the council? What is the job of the council?
We hold the annual general meeting, and then we call all the Nokmas. At this minimum 600, 700, minimum 500 Nokmas they gather together in the meeting. Or even if you cannot come, you send somebody, your representative, your brother-in-law, to attend.
Yes.
So in the meeting, we talk about the thing, preservation of this thing, forest, number one, making law resolutions for the village forest committee, then development committee, then cleaning the thing, the graveyard committee.
Yes.
Then this committee for the thing, taking care of the river flows, catchment areas.
Right.
So then for the thing, committee for law and order. So Nokma is busy only for issuing residential certificate, birth certificate. Except that the committee, they take the action for themselves.
Yes.
Nokma is free.
Yeah.
So because at the time of passing the resolution,
Two leaders from West Garo Hills here for the Hill Farmers Union,
I see.
and it's growing.
Yeah.
And I think we need to have more dynamic leaders, especially of your stature, who have so much experience to help our farmers. And I was mentioning to you that we need to strengthen our borders, and the only way to do that is to empower our farmers. Economic activity, training, facilitation. I don't know, but what do you think of working together to help strengthen the farm?
When Corona started, I ring up to Ram Singh
Yeah.
and DC Bakmara
Yeah.
in SPs.
Yeah.
That because of coronavirus, there will be scarcity of vegetables and everything. Ask all the Nokmas and the villages to grow more vegetables.
Grow more.
Yeah. I have requested both the DCs and SPs
Yes.
to grow more the vegetables. Now, Daniel Inti is the retired director of agriculture.
Yes.
So he is advisor to the Council of Nokmas for
Yes.
farmers.
Okay.
So we are moving, we have visited more than 40 villages.
Excellent.
So we have been distributing the seeds. We have been I am delivering not only the lecture for not only for the development of other things. Lecture is that every village must have their own bank balance, bank account
Yes.
for every household will have to give 100 rupees per year. If it is 100 houses or 50 houses, how many it becomes? Keep it for 5 years. Then, if somebody dies in the village, how much you will give? 5,000. No need to repeat.
Excellent.
With the help of the relatives, 5,000. If somebody, got some accident, other things, immediate, necessary, how much you will give? Commandant, there's a commandant. First division, matriculation, 300 rupees. Second division, 200 rupees. Third division, 100 rupees. So the marksheet to Borbo, so many MS, BS in second battalion.
Right.
Now, one Nokma has given first division and matriculation 1,000, BA 5,000. So he has increased second division matriculation 500.
Good. So from every village, you're inspiring young people who do well.
Yeah.
A reward.
Yeah.
Oh, then the money comes from the people.
Yeah. And I will ask, any doctor in your village? No. Keep one pig for that person who will become the
doctor.
doctor.
Yeah. I like it.